Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Bus. Today I am taking class 9 topic which is Heron's formula. Very interesting topic and very useful also. So before we start with Heron's formula, we should know why this formula is used. This is used to find the area of the triangle. हमें Heron's formula, why do we need Heron's formula? जब हमारे पास already इतने सारे formulas हैं. Okay, I'll tell you what is the need of using Heron's formula. So area of triangle, otherwise the simple method is half base into height. ठीक है, height आपका क्या रहता है, altitude रहता है, B stands for the base. Equilateral triangle का area क्या है? The area of the equilateral triangle is √3/4 a square. Isosceles means you have two sides equal and one side unequal. So if you take equal side as length a unit and the base as b unit, the area of isosceles triangle would be b upon 2 into a square minus b square by 4, which is rarely used because what happens in finding the area of isosceles triangle, हम या तो height निकाल लेते हैं perpendicular drop करके, or we use the Heron's formula. ओके सो ये तो हमारे एरियाज थे जब हमारे पास इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, हमारे पास आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है. बट व्हेन वी हैव स्केलिंग ट्रायंगल, हाउ डू वी फाइंड the area of the triangle? So I'll tell you how do we find the area of the triangle when the sides are not equal. So when the sides are not equal, okay, so how do we find the area of the triangle? We have Heron's formula. Okay, in Heron's formula, what do we do? First of all, we find semi-perimeter. S stands for semi-perimeter. What do you mean by semi-perimeter? Means you find out the sum of the sides and you divide it by 2. That will be the semi-perimeter. Okay. After that, area of the triangle will be under root s into s minus a, first term, s minus b into s minus c. Okay. So this formula can be used for any triangle, be it equilateral triangle, be it isosceles triangle, be a scalene triangle. पहली बात. Second thing is this can be used to find the area of any shape which is triangular in any figure which is triangular in shape. It can be a quadrilateral or it can be any other shape like which includes a triangle. Can be a parallelogram, can be a trapezium, which can split up in certain shapes like a rectangle and the triangle. So we can find the area of that particular figure. So I will start with 12.1, which is based entirely on the Heron's formula. So let's start with question number 1. Okay. So question number 1 is about, you have been given a signal which is in the form of a triangle and equilateral triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is given, which is 180 centimeter. So 180 centimeter means, since it's an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So we'll write it this way. And this will give you the side of the triangle. The side of the triangle will come out to be 60 centimeter. ठीक है, ये आपकी side आ गई. After that, area of the triangle, if we apply Heron's formula, this is s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Fine. So perimeter is given 180 centimeter. So s stands for semi perimeter. तो सबसे पहले हम s निकाल लेंगे. आपका s क्या आ रहा है? What is s? S is sum of the sides divided by 2, that is 90. s की वैल्यू हमारी 90 है. यहाँ पर s की जगह हम 90 रखेंगे और all sides a, b and c will keep 60 because सारी sides equal है. So this is 90. So we'll substitute. Okay. After that, we'll simplify. We have to be very careful while calculating. बिकॉज आपका Heron's फॉर्मूला है, सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम है, तो इसमें हमारी कैलकुलेशन इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट. 90 को क्या करेंगे, आप फैक्टर्स बना सकते हैं, 3 into 30 कर देंगे. क्यों किया 30? क्योंकि हमारे जो बाकी के नंबर्स हैं वो 30 में हैं, तो पेयरिंग करना आसान रहेगा. तो ये आपको कॉम्बिनेशन देखना है कि मुझे कैसे लिखना है. ये नहीं 90 का हम 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 विल नॉट राइट इट इन प्राइम फैक्टर्स. तो आपकी कैलकुलेशन बहुत मैटर करती है ना. कैलकुलेशन में हमें थोड़ा सा स्मार्टनेस दिखानी है. सो 3 into 130 तो यहाँ से आ गया, 90 का हमने ब्रेक कर दिया इस तरह से. बाकी के जो हमारे 330 थे वो हमने एज इट इज लिख दिए. स्क्वायर रूट कैसे निकालेंगे, हमने करनी है पेयरिंग. पेयरिंग कर लिया तो दो 30 है. इफ यू हैव 230 इनसाइड, विल टेक आउट 130 आउटसाइड and this 30 will also come outside. This is √3 inside. So our answer is, this is 900 √3 square centimeter. So I hope this question is clear. We don't need to keep the value of √3. यहाँ तक भी हम अपने आंसर को छोड़ सकते हैं. आंसर हमारा absolutely correct है. ठीक है. इसके बाद हम लेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Okay, so now we'll solve question number 2. Second question में we have been given a flyover. Flyover के नीचे जो है 2 advertisement हैं which are in the shape of triangle. So we have to find the cost of the advertisement for 3 months to be placed and for 1 year the cost is 5,000 rupees. तो क्या करना है सबसे पहले हमें एरिया निकालना है हर ट्रायंगल का. सिंस देयर आर 2 एडवर्टाइजमेंट विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 2. चलिए, सो A, B एंड C वी हैव रिटन. उसके बाद हम निकालेंगे सेमी पेरीमीटर विच इज 264 बाय 2 दैट इज 132. आफ्टर दैट एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल और एरिया ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट एरिया ऑफ 1 एडवर्टाइजमेंट. सो दिस विल बी S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 132. So 132, we'll just place the value 122 minus 20 and this is 120. Okay. So we'll continue. So 132, this is into 10, this is into 12 and this is 112 and this is 12. Okay, so there was a slight change. In place of 20 it was 22, so we'll take the difference accordingly. So यहाँ पर 112 की जगह हमारा 110 आ जाएगा. फैक्टराइजेशन जो है we'll make it you can say bigger factor, small factors में नहीं करना है. 132 is 12 into 11, 10 is already there. This will be 11 into 10 and 12 को 12 ही रहना है. तो स्क्वायर रूट में ये फैक्टराइजेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे 2 11 है तो एक 11 आउटसाइड. There are 2 12, 1 12 will be out. There are 2 10, 1 10 will be out. So the product is 1320 square centimeter. Now area of one of the advertisement is 1320 meters square. Area of the advertisement is this. $1320. Okay. So if it is placed for 12 months, the cost is 5,000. Okay. So for 1 year, for 12 months, cost of 1 square meter is how much? This is 5,000. So how much is the area? Area is 1320. So cost of this much advertisement, cost of the advertisement which is in 1320 meter square. Cost of the advertisement is, we'll multiply 1320 into 5,000. Clear? 12 months के लिए. तो अब इसको हम निकालेंगे for 1 month. This is for 12 months. So we'll find out for 1 month. For 1 month, cost will be, we'll divide it by 12. Okay. So for 1 month, we have found the cost. This is going to cost us for 1 month. Now we have to find it for 3 months. So for 3 months, cost will be, cost of advertisement will be, we'll multiply by 3. This is 3 upon 12. So this is 3 4s are 12. We'll multiply this. So this will give us 330. So after that, we'll multiply 330 by 5,000. So here you have 3 zeros here. This is 5 zeros is 0, 5 3s are 15 and this is 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16. So this comes out 16,50,000 rupees. So this is going to be the cost of the advertisement. I hope this question is clear to you and I will come up with the other questions in my next video. Do watch my next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning. Thank you.